Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add your BitMart BSC wallet address to your Cpen account. Your BSC is your BNB Smart Contract account. So I'm going to show you the steps you will take to add it to your Cpen account if you have been mining Cpen. All right, let's just quickly go to Cpen and see what you're supposed to do. So on getting to Cpen, you just click on this area that says wallet. Okay, so let's click on it. Now I already have a wallet here. What I will do is to remove this address. Okay, I will remove this and paste whatever I'm going to generate into here. But now let's go to my BitMart account and then generate the wallet I'm supposed to put there. So this is my BitMart account. I will go to here that says assets, open it, and then click on deposit. Okay, so I click on deposit. What do I want to deposit into here? I will just look for BNB, or I will type it manually into here. Why you are seeing here? Because I searched it before. So you just type BNB into here and open it. Okay. Now you remember that BNB, you actually have two different one. This one is the BNB beacon chain, which is BEP2, and then this is the BSC, which is the BNB smart chain. So we'll open this. We'll open this and click on confirm. All right. Now the address is open for you, which is this, and you say copy. So you click on this to copy it. Sorry, click on it to copy it. Now it's copied. So we'll go back to our Cpen account, and then, like I said from the beginning, just click here to remove. Then you paste what you brought from that side into this place. Okay, so let's do that now. Then click save address. Save address. You can see it is done. Success, wallet address saved. Good, that is just it. There's nothing else you will need to do for now. But also remember that before you doing this, you must have confirmed your KYC. If you have not done your KYC, KYC has officially ended. You still need to just add this and wait until the window is open again in the future. So that is it. If you find this video useful, share it with your friends and make sure you like it. You can also drop a comment to help us serve you better. God bless you. See you in my next video again.